So when people think of Portland as being one of the healthiest cities in the US, one thing that comes to mind is kind of an attitudinal difference. I mean, they even have things that say keep Portland weird and talk about the differences in individuals who live here. Can you speak to that and how you think it affects Portland as a culture?
Yeah, I think I mean, all the cliched answers that you're going to get are people who are engaged in hobbies and pastime and recreation. But I would actually say something that's interesting to look into is to consider this from a economic standpoint, which is if you look at the housing prices being unreasonable and the jobs being unavailable, you would think Portland would really be a miserable place, but it's not. And I think it has to do with what we call the second economy, which is almost every single person in Portland is engaged in something else. Like, okay, I work as a barista, even though I have my master's degree in social science, but I also teach art classes. Somebody else says, I do this, but I also help build canoes. Somebody does this, but I also do this. And these second incomes that people have, these hobbies that are now monetized, actually contributes a lot to people's well-being and happiness.